Have you ever wondered why personalized messaging matters in home services? Well, let's unravel this together. Personalized messaging is all about tailoring communication to resonate with the unique needs and preferences of individual homeowners. It's like receiving a custom-made gift. It feels special, right? In the home services sector, it's no different. Personalized messaging takes customer experience to a new level by making homeowners feel valued and understood. It sends a clear message that the service provider genuinely cares about their comfort and well-being. Imagine receiving a message that addresses your specific concern or provides helpful tips on home maintenance. It creates a sense of assurance, doesn't it? That's the power of personalized messaging. It builds trust and reliability, making homeowners feel supported and cared for, and that's half the battle won. But personalized messaging isn't just about enhancing customer experience. It also plays a pivotal role in customer retention. By keeping homeowners informed about the latest service offerings, maintenance tips, or even seasonal recommendations, companies can establish themselves as trusted partners in homeowners' journey towards maintaining a safe and comfortable living environment. Regular follow-ups and personalized advice can encourage homeowners to continue using the company's services, making them feel more like partners than customers. And let's not forget about customer acquisition, the lifeblood of any business. In the competitive home services market, personalized messaging can be the differentiator that sets a company apart. By showcasing expertise and highlighting tailored solutions, companies can attract potential customers seeking reliable and attentive home service providers. Engaging homeowners with relevant content and timely reminders about necessary home services can significantly increase the likelihood of converting prospects into long-term clients. So in a nutshell, personalized messaging in the home services sector is a powerful tool that enhances customer experience, aids in customer retention, and serves as an effective tool for customer acquisition. It's not just about sending messages, it's about creating meaningful connections and building lasting relationships. Now that we understand the importance of personalized messaging in home services, let's delve into some real-life case studies that illustrate its benefits. Consider an electrician service provider who starts using personalized messaging. This savvy professional understands that every homeowner has unique needs and concerns. Instead of sending generic messages, they opt for personalized ones, addressing each homeowner's specific requirements. They might send a message about energy-saving tips tailored for a homeowner with high energy consumption, or perhaps a message about electrical safety measures for a home with young children. They could also send updates on the latest smart home solutions for tech-savvy homeowners looking to upgrade their homes. These personalized messages create a sense of assurance and reliability for homeowners. They know that their electrician is not just a service provider, but a partner who truly understands their needs and is committed to their well-being. Through personalized messaging, this electrician service provider was able to engage homeowners and establish a trusted partnership. As we move ahead, let's pause to emphasize our commitment to delivering value through our channel. If you're finding our content helpful, show your support by hitting the like button. Your engagement helps us reach more individuals and tells us we're heading in the right direction. Now let's dive into our next service example, shall we? Now envision a plumber service provider who adopts personalized messaging. This isn't your average plumbing company. They're proactive, sending you tailored messages about seasonal plumbing maintenance, ensuring you're prepared for the winter freeze or the summer heat. And it's not just about fixes. They provide tips to prevent common plumbing issues, saving you time, money, and the inconvenience of unexpected repairs. But their commitment doesn't stop there. They're also forward-thinking, recommending eco-friendly fixtures that can conserve water and reduce your utility bills. Their messages aren't generic, they're crafted for you, addressing your specific needs and concerns. This plumbing company's approach to communication isn't just about selling more services, it's about building trust, establishing a lasting relationship, and becoming your go-to resource for all things plumbing. By leveraging personalized messaging, this plumber service provider successfully retained their customer base and even attracted new clients. Imagine a landscaper who decides to implement personalized messaging. This isn't about sending generic emails or automated text messages. No, this landscaper goes the extra mile, crafting personalized messages for each homeowner. During spring, they send out tips on how to care for new blooms, and in fall, they share advice on preparing the garden for winter. But it doesn't stop there. They take the time to understand each homeowner's unique preferences and send landscaping design suggestions that will suit their taste and lifestyle. Maybe it's a low-maintenance garden for the busy professional, or a vibrant flower bed for the passionate gardener. And to ensure that their clients' gardens are always at their best, they send regular garden maintenance reminders tailored to the specific plants and features of each garden. With personalized messaging, this landscaper was able to enhance the customer experience, thereby boosting their business. Are you enjoying our content? We've got plenty more where that came from. If you're finding our personalized messaging tips useful, don't forget to show your support. Hit the like button and let us know in the comments what other topics you'd like us to cover. And remember, subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on our upcoming videos. We'll continue to share more insights, case studies, and practical tips to help you elevate your home service business. So stay tuned. From these case studies, we can see a common thread. Whether you're an electrician advising on energy-saving tips, or a plumber providing seasonal maintenance advice, personalized messaging plays a pivotal role in enhancing customer experience across the board. It's about more than just offering a service. It's about creating an interaction that feels tailored, attentive, and genuinely helpful. Now let's talk about customer retention. We all know that retaining a customer is often more cost-effective than acquiring a new one. Personalized messaging is a powerful tool in this respect. By keeping homeowners informed about the latest services, offering useful maintenance tips, and reminding them of seasonal recommendations, home service providers can establish themselves as trusted partners. Regular follow-ups and personalized advice make homeowners feel supported and valued, enhancing their loyalty towards the service provider. But let's not forget about customer acquisition. In the fiercely competitive home services market, attracting new customers is an ongoing challenge. Here again, personalized messaging comes to the rescue. By showcasing expertise and offering tailored solutions, home service providers can engage potential customers effectively. Timely reminders about necessary services and relevant content can significantly increase the likelihood of converting prospects into long-term clients. Whether it's a landscaper sharing lawn care tips, a house cleaner suggesting effective cleaning schedules, a pest control service providing insights on common pests, or a heating and cooling service reminding customers about system checkups, personalized messaging can make a world of difference. The same applies to roofing contractors offering maintenance best practices, or painting contractors suggesting color schemes. It's all about understanding the homeowner's needs and preferences and tailoring the message accordingly. As these case studies illustrate, personalized messaging can be a game changer in the home services industry. It's a strategy that not only enhances customer experience, but also boosts customer retention and acquisition, ultimately contributing to the growth and success of a business. So, whether you're a service provider or a homeowner, remember, personalized messaging is more than just a trend. It's a powerful tool, and its impact is here to stay. Now, you might be wondering, how can I implement personalized messaging in my home services business? Well, it's simpler than you might think. Start by understanding your customers. Get to know their needs, their preferences, their concerns. This information is the foundation of effective personalized messaging. Use customer feedback, surveys, or even casual conversations to delve into what your customers truly value about your service. Once you've gathered this insight, you can tailor your messages to address these specific needs. For instance, if you're a plumber and you know a customer has had issues with their pipes freezing in the winter, you can send them personalized tips on how to prevent this issue. Or if you're a landscaper and you're aware a customer is passionate about organic gardening, you can share advice on natural pest control or eco-friendly garden design. Remember, maintaining regular communication is key. You don't want to only reach out when there's a problem or when it's time for a service checkup. Regular, personalized messages can help build a stronger relationship with your customers. These can include reminders, helpful tips, or even a simple message to say, "We're here if you need us." Another great way to implement personalized messaging is through helpful tips related to your service. Sharing your expertise not only adds value to your customer's experience, but also positions you as a trusted authority in your field. For example, if you're a pest control service, you could send messages about identifying common household pests or preventative measures homeowners can take. Remember to keep the tone of your messages friendly and approachable. You want to come across as a helpful partner, not just a service provider. Make your customers feel seen, understood, and valued. The beauty of personalized messaging is that it's flexible. You can continually adapt your approach based on feedback and changing customer needs. With personalized messaging, you can take your home services business to new heights. Start implementing today and see the difference it makes.